Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil Thakre and today we are going to learn about sensors. So sensors, as the general definition says, sensor is the one which detects the environment. So each sensor is detective and it also signals the microcontroller, which in the world of electronics is the brain. Same things happen with our Spidey, isn't it? So the Spidey has some sensors in his mind which detects its surrounding and tells him about the danger around him, right? There are many possibilities. Still, sensors are widely used in devices around us, which are used in our daily use or industrial use. Sensors are present in our mobile phones, in our refrigerators, in cars, and various other devices. These sensors help us interact with the world around us. So, what is a sensor? So, the standard definition says a device that detects or measures a physical property and then either records it, indicates it, or otherwise respond to it. And the specific input which it took take from the surrounding can be anything. It can be light, heat, motion, moisture, pressure, or any other natural phenomenon. So with this all different type of inputs, this brings us to our next topic, the different type of sensors. So there are various type of sensors such as temperature sensor, pressure sensor, position sensor, seizure sensor, humidity sensor, fluid property sensor, photo optic sensors, and many more. There are so many various type of sensor that all that cannot be brought into one slide. So when there are so many different type of sensors with so different type of properties, how do you choose a right sensor for your project? You need to take many factors into consideration. Some of them being the accuracy of a sensor, the environmental conditions in which a sensor is used, as the output may vary in relation with that. Other than that, you need to also take into the consideration the range. Some sensors work for short range, and some work for the long range too. The calibration. Calibration is when you configure your sensor to give output in a specific range. Other than that, resolution. In resolution, for each small or big output input, you need to check the output of your sensor. And finally, the cost. Whenever you are working on your project, you need to check the cost, as you need to make the project affordable too, right? So when as every factor counts for the proper execution of the task in your project, and when you take into account every factor, you are ready to work on your project. So there are different type of interesting projects and ideas that can come into reality with help of the sensors. So what are you waiting for? Put your cool ideas into tinkering something innovative. And whenever you try something new, you will make mistake, but you need to learn from that and always try to do better. Thank you.